Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane, the dive bomber. To make the dive bomber, first take the paper and fold it in half horizontally. Unfold it and fold the corners to the middle crease, so that the top edge aligns with the middle crease. Repeat on the left side. Now take the tip of the paper and fold it down. Unfold it, and now you've just made a horizontal crease at the top. Fold the tip to the crease. Now take the top edge so it aligns with the vertical line. And crease all the way through. Repeat on the left side of the paper. Now fold the whole thing in half. The model should look like this now. As you might see, there will be a horizontal line right over here, close to the point. You're going to fold the wings. Fold the wings like this so it aligns with the horizontal line. And this edge should align with the opposite edge on the other side. Fold the other wing the same way. Make sure that the wings are aligned together. And now the last step is to just fold this edge a little upward like this. Trace sharply. Flip it over and do the same thing. The two sides should align. You are done making the dive bomber. Hope you enjoyed the video.